What's up, guys? Morning. So this is day two in Vagamon. Technically it's supposed to be day 3, but it is day 2. Woke up, got ready, and now we are going for sightseeing. Yesterday we covered 3 parts. Today I don't know how many parts. So time is 11 o'clock. Nice clear skies, little here and there. It's pleasant over here, quiet. Last night heavy rains. The tree is withstanding. The tree house withstanding the rain. Not bad. So done with breakfast and all. Food is decent. If you come to Kerala side and all, food gets difficult. We're going to some place called Kirisumala, and some viewpoints are there. I googled them. Everything is over here only. Like everything. See there, meadows is over there. Meadows and pine forest, pine valleys over there. It's all nearby. But just to go over there, you have to go all around and go over there. So everything you can see it from here. So you're scooching now. See you guys in the car or on the road or anywhere. I don't know. Kirisumala. I'm coming. Okay. चलेंगे हम तो चलेंगे तू पालो तेरे लिए. Done. Let's go. आरे भी किलंगला. There's a bird which sings every day. Can you hear it? It stopped. Oh man. May I come in? En route na Kirisumala. Kirisumala. No road. This is Kirisumala. Namala Kirisua. Google showed us one photos. Cheese popcorn. Now it is fogging up. Fog is coming. There. We are going on a jeep safari because few places car can't go. That's why we hired a jeep. They both are tired. They're sitting like patients. Apparently in Vagamon there are no fuel stations. You don't get petrol or diesel over here. Fill it in the cans. Howdy! I am sleepy. Hello? The patient. We are going somewhere. Come to a viewpoint. Nice open jeep. We came up all the way from there. We took some viewpoint. Now going back. Too shaky. body massage. We are going inside full off-road amma ipo. ஏன் முன்னாடி ஒன்று இருக்கு. The jeep that we were traveling, we've come all the way from there. Nice viewpoints, full surrounded by hills. Psych, crazy. Actually, body is full shaking right now. Should I shoot some time lapses? Hey Amulya, full gulu inside your stomach?
No.
Look at this view. Right now I'm shooting on my phone. My camera is doing some time lapses over there. +10 is there, but still I'm shooting in this nod. Nice views. Damn. Our journey continues in the off-road trails. Shaky. Stomach inside. Everything will get. Ellame shuffle pola. Roads are nice, decent. You can come in your own car itself over here. Apart from few slushy spots like this. Rain started. Rain. Go away. Come again. Wait. You paid money, huh? You paid money? How? By the kick of a cow. Jumping, jumpaka. Gilly young. Nice views. It's the glitch in the multiverse. Nice views. We are going to trek inside this forest. Amulya, you're going first. Huh? For oncoming traffic. Enda Amulya. Enda aayi. Pant la aayi. My oh Amangabar lake.
Inge par bek.
Lake Beck. Oh my god, crowd. Match? Illa full fog vandiruchu pinnadi. This is the backwaters of Idiki Dam. Idiki Dam backwaters. Too much of crowd over here. Idiki.
Amulya da idiki. Vaata first.
Hey. Already camera jump அடிச்சு கேமரா எகற வச்சிட்டீங்க காலையில. நெக்ஸ்ட் நான் ஜம்ப் அடிச்சு மேல வந்து உட்கார்றேன் பாரு. பிடிக்காம உட்காரு. எங்க வந்து உட்காரு. ஏய் மம்மி விடலாம். போல இந்த பக்கம். ஏய் அம்மு. ஏய்.
கல்கி வரடா.
Now we are going inside the tunnel. Slushy. It will be nice if you come in with bike. Scrambler. Amula, you come in your scooty zest. Vandi old nishu eduthuka maata. Stomach is done. As in not spoiled. I think I'm getting 6 packs. If you want to test any vehicle off-road capability, you should come to Vagamon. See, look at the jeep. எல்லாமே டல்லா தெரியுது எனக்கு. நீ ஏன் டல்லா தெரியுற? the right season to come to Vagamon is August, September, October, November, December, January. Okay. A Bajaj Discover is coming in this road, so I don't think so you need a scrambler and all. Amulya can come in her Zest. Scooty Zest. Wait, yeah. Full heavy rains now. I got fully wet. So apparently here there's a tunnel and you have to walk from here. It's raining outside and we don't have umbrellas. Hey buddy. It's raining. Amulya mele torch adi. Sharath. Tunnel kulla poi Amulya uttu vandirala. Amulya meditation பண்ணிட்டு உள்ள உட்கார்ந்து. Lamati habibo. வரலே. I'm a pig. We are walking to the tunnel. This is the way. It's drizzling. Though the GoPro is waterproof, the mic, it's not. Oh, look at this. Heavy. Force. Where's the tunnel? I think the tunnel is here. Oh my god, it's creepy. Okay, this is the tunnel. When there are less water, they let you walk inside. Now the water flows too much. The rain's too much. Mala jaasti hai. Odung. Look at this. Rain is too much, but the tunnel is too scary. Should have come during the daytime, like early in the morning. Not early morning, early daytime, or early in the afternoon. Could have seen, but not walked inside. Ayya, return not a good day. Ayyo, GoPro naniyide. Okay, I'm shutting it down, putting it inside my shirt. Bye. So we saw the tunnel now. Apparently you can walk like 100 to 200 meters inside. I don't know where we are going. Where are we going? Everywhere you turn you get crazy views. Lush greens. In front of me there's one disgusting view. Disgusting. Look at this view. It's raining. I don't want to risk getting my GoPro wet. Literally can't see anything. See? Fully covered with the fog. Nothing is visible. Like we are inside the fog. Panile enna photo edukra? And a chocolate. But literally we are inside the clouds. In the midst, into the mist. That's all that was on viewpoint. I couldn't record outside because it was raining. Since I have mic connected on the GoPro, can't risk it. Oh, now the voice is recording. That's all we are going from here. Done for the day, I guess. Actually, yeah, done for the day. Going back to the room. Chalo, room mein dekhenge. Allah, vandila shake ஆகி வந்து இன்னும் ஷேக்கிங்லேயே போய்ங்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது எனக்கு. It's nice views, full cloudy. The resort is good, except for food and all. Food is, you don't get good food. You get this proper Kerala style food. Finding difficulty with the food. Afternoons we went to a cafe. It's near the Pine Valley. So that's called Wasssup KOF Cafe. KOF something. KOF Cafe. You get momos, burger. You get momos, beef, momos, burger. Beef, momos, beef, burger, momos, beef. So you're surviving with that. So in case you guys come, you can go there. So I'm going to the room and crashing. Done for the day. In midst of the tea estate. I'm gonna go to my dad on the top. Akka, avu, amsa. Hey, ingon kudla unne net kudtala unne. Hey, kudla.
வாங்கிட்டு வர மாட்டேன்னா
நேத்து நீ நான் அப்ப நேத்து நீ அப்ப வாங்கிட்டு நான் தானே வாங்கிட்டு வந்தேன்.
இன்னைக்கு நான் வாங்கிட்டு வான்னு சொன்னேன்ல.
நேத்து நீ சொன்னியா வாங்கிட்டு வர சொல்லி. Text guys later. Record later. Tada. This is day 3 from Vagamon. Technically day 4, but today day 3, as I said, okay, I'm not doing this again. So today's plan was to go to Tekadi. It's like 45 kilometers from here because we've explored Vagamon. Yesterday full shaky experience. So today plan was to go to Tekadi, Periyar Dam, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Periyar, everything Periyar, and come back. But we are checking out. Yes, we are checking out today and gonna miss this. Actually this was kinda scary only. Ayyo, too many things to carry. How will I take them and go? Ayyo. Every day my cardio is this only. Get down, climb up. Umbrella. Ullala umbrella. Adadada. Now doing some trekking to the parking. Look at this auntie. Hey auntie. Auntie. Hey auntie. Did not see me. With this, I don't know when I'm going to edit this and upload it on YouTube. I'll do this as soon as possible, not be lazy. Kindly like, share, comment, subscribe. Amma. Ayyo.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.